I'm Luke with AccuFi, and this is Tess in 2 minutes. Tess is a tax equity partnership model spreadsheet. It's fast, accurate, and easy to use. Tess works with any project model. You can import your project tabs using the Easy Import tool. It supports ITC, PTC, or a mix of the two. It includes a depreciation calculator, and you can include multiple projects in Tess and take them in and out of the partnership as needed. With Tess, you can quickly evaluate scenarios for your project using our one-click solver. Tess Turbo is a feature that will make the workbook solve faster than you might think, and you can target a flip date, an investor equity split, or any other target you might like. Tess is built and maintained by AccuFi. We have years of tax equity modeling experience. Tess has a clear architecture that's easy to follow and explain. When new versions of Tess are released, you can use the one-click update tool to update from an old version to a new version. If you use ABC, you can also upload Tess data to ABC very simply. Tess is free to use for evaluating projects. You can share Tess workbooks with anyone. You can renew a free license every 30 days or purchase an enterprise license for a year at a time for your whole company. You can also purchase a full license for Tess at any point after a letter of intent for your partnership. You can download Tess from our website, which is accufianalytics.com/Tess, and thanks for your interest.